नमस्कार, जय हिंद. दिस इज देव दुलाल मित्रा from Mithila Academy Public School, Sector 4E, Bokaro Steel City. 2nd October, which means we are going to celebrate the birth anniversary of our father of nation, the great, once again great Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi doesn't need any introduction. He was such a man of word. He was such a man of scholar, great literist, great sociologist, social worker, social reformer, and whatnot. Mahatma Gandhi has given several things to us. He has taught several things to us. It was Mahatma Gandhi who gave us our freedom. Otherwise, we would have been working, we would have been laboring in our own country, and we would have not respected. I remember a very short story about Gandhiji's life, which I would like to share with you all. During his childhood, because of his childish nature, Gandhiji took 20 rupees from one of his friends, which he was unable to pay because he didn't have money, and he could not tell the same thing to his father Karamchand Gandhi. So what he did, he stole the bracelet of his elder brother and passed the same bracelet to the same friend from whom he took 20 rupees. Later on, the bracelet was searched, but it was not found. It was not found anymore. Ultimately, the matter was suppressed, and everyone was thinking that somehow, some way, the bracelet was lost by Gandhiji's brother. And Gandhiji was also satisfied the matter had gone. But one thing, Gandhiji was very fond of reading books, dramas. So one day he demanded to his father to bring some drama books. And Gandhiji's father brought two books for him, Satyavadi Harishchandra and Shravan Kumar ki Pitra Bhakti. After reading both of the books, suddenly one day Gandhiji did a very strange thing. What was that? I am going to tell you. Gandhiji went to his father along with a piece of paper and a stick. When father looked at Gandhiji, then he asked, "What's the matter? Why are you standing like this? Why are you bowing your head like this? Have you done something wrong?" Gandhiji handed over the paper to his father, where he mentioned that I have done a great mistake. It was me who stole brother's bracelet and passed the same bracelet to one of my friends because I took 20 rupees from him as a debt which I was unable to pay. So I have committed a sin, and for this fulfillment I accept any kinds of punishment. If you want to punish me, I accept it. But I promise you, this won't happen again. This won't happen again in future. I promise you. I will always follow the path of truth. I will always follow the path of non-violence. I won't tell a lie in future. After reading the letter, Gandhiji's father was very impressed with him, and he patted Gandhiji's back, not even spoke a single word. Since then, Gandhiji never went back. He never backed down. Always followed the path of truth and non-violence. Here the message is very loud and clear. That doesn't matter who you are or whatever you do. First of all, you have to accept that what you have done. That is such a basic quality. If you want to be a truthful, if you want to follow the path of truth, then you have to accept what you have done. Nowadays, we often see that we do not accept the same whatever we have committed. We are habituated of telling lies. But this is such a quality of Gandhiji, whatever he has taught us. And we must take a good lesson from this thing. Gandhiji has said, if you cannot give the life to someone, then you have no right at all to take it away. About non-violence, Gandhiji has said, because if you read the book My Experiment with the Truth, then you will come to know Gandhiji has been considered as a coward by a number of people. That Gandhiji, you never answer the people, you never fight. You say that if you are being slapped by someone, then you put your another cheek before that man who is slapping you, you are a coward. But on this, Gandhiji's answer is, it is very easy to make violence, because if someone is hitting you, then definitely you will hit him back. But it's very, very, very difficult to tolerate the violence. And those who tolerate, they long last. They long last. They get the capacity to tolerate, they get the capacity to face any kinds of problem. And ultimately, they become the winners. Similarly, the same thing happened in the War of Independence. So, because of Gandhiji, we have become the winner. So, these are such qualities of Gandhiji we must remember, and basically, I would like to focus on his truthfulness, I would like to focus on his duties, and I would like to focus on his fundamental rights. Because nowadays people always fight for fundamental rights, but they have forgotten their fundamental duties. This is absolutely right that we must be given our fundamental rights, but it is compulsory and very essential for all of us to remember our fundamental duties towards ourselves, duties towards our places, duties towards our nation, towards our countrymen. So these are some points. With these words, I would like to end here. Thank you very much. Good day. Jai Hind.